Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at ChargePoint. ChargePoint EV charging manufacturer. Alright, has charge points all around the US. Very popular. Looks like the moving averages here indicate it's going higher. So it might have a little resistance here at this red line. But it might break through. It's done it before, and then it's come back pretty quick. But I think we can. Let's look at the MACD. MACD is very important for the trading momentum. And look at this. It looks pretty high, okay? It looks like maybe a little bit softer towards the end of the week. But overall, green. Now, stochastic. Stochastic is still looking good, man. It's still going higher. It is almost maxed out. Look at that. 97? Wow, it's kind of nuts. I don't know where it is right there. That's pretty high. So, it looks good. What do you guys think? I think ChargePoint could be poised to go much, much higher. Well, a lot depends on earnings. So, we'll have to keep an eye on that. But 28, I think this could be easily a $50 stock. Alright? They can get their chargers out there, they can win some of the infrastructure contract money, and they can build out their network. I think ChargePoint has got a long way to go. Up, up, up. Hopefully it's not going to go down much more. I think we've already seen the bottom out here at 850. If you guys were watching my videos, hopefully you got in on that deal. That was a deal of a good time. Alright, we've doubled our money since then, so pretty good deal. We didn't get in quite in that low, but we had a couple positive indicators that said, well, maybe. So if you guys interested in joining the stock group, make sure you join up on my channel now. It's a new stock group. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, don't forget that. Smash that like button. We can get the word out there on ChargePoint and all these EV stocks that are going to be busting out soon. Hopefully, as the electric car market goes from 3% to 4% and beyond. As more heavy hitters get involved, like Ford, and heard ChargePoint is getting a bunch of new charging banks, potentially at Starbucks. Wow, that'd be a big customer, wouldn't it? That'd be pretty cool. Pull up those Starbucks, get a latte, and then charge your car while you're in there. That'd be pretty cool. And alright, well, anyway guys, there's a whole separate video on ChargePoint if you're interested, and go check them out. But right now, technical indicators look like it's going to go higher, so it might be time to sell another cash cover put. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to join and subscribe to the channel and the private stock group. Thanks for watching.